doing such an exciting video. I'm gonna let AI control my day. So yeah, now it's around 9 a.m. and I asked Chat GPT what I should eat for breakfast. I said, can you suggest something for breakfast that is healthy, good for my hormonal balance, won't get me bloated, and give me energy to start my day? And he came up with a smoothie bowl, so we're gonna do that in a little bit. But then I also asked him if he can make me like a itinerary for today. I wasn't really too specific because the first time that I tried this, I wrote to him that I live in Prague and he gave me like a full touristic tour of Prague, which I really don't want to do because I just don't want to be around people. So the second time I was very vague, but he came up with like a really nice plan actually, so I'm going to follow it today. But yeah, anyways, let's make the smoothie bowl that AI suggested. It was actually really good. I'm not really a big breakfast person. Usually I don't really eat breakfast. Also, I added the flax seed, which I didn't even know we had at home, but we did. But it is supposed to be really good for your digestion, so yeah, that is something new that I learned from AI. I also printed out my itinerary, so the first one is done, which is the breakfast. Now we should go on a walk. But then I'm also gonna go for the picnic, so I think I'm gonna ask ChatGPT right now what type of lunch I should pack and what I should make. My AI is broken. It's resting in the fridge. I had a little taste and it's so good, so I cannot wait to eat it at the picnic. Also, there's been a slight change and I'm actually not going alone, but my mommy will join me. So we will have like a mother-daughter date, which I actually don't think we ever had, so it's gonna be such a nice day. Now, I need to get dressed, so let me ask ChatGPT what he thinks that I should wear. Okay, so this is the outfit that I came up with from the suggestion that AI made. I'm not wearing a short sundress because I would literally freeze in it. So I'm wearing this midi dress instead, and over it I'm wearing a cardigan as AI suggested again. So yeah, that's the outfits, and let's go to the city. Rented some bikes, so let's go on a bike ride. It's literally so cute. I almost dropped the bike, okay? Anyways. Okay guys, so we just finished our picnic. Everything was actually really good. Like the pasta was really nice. It was kind of simple, but like that's what I asked for, so it's okay. We also got some pastries at like a bakery that we went by, and it was actually such a nice day. But yeah, now we are going right there, which is the Prague Castle, because he recommended that I should go to a nearby outdoor attraction, and he suggested a botanical garden or a zoo, but like I really don't want to do that, so instead we are going to the Prague Castle, and there's actually a Starbucks there, so I think I'm gonna get a coffee there. So I asked what I should order, and he gave me some very basic options again. I don't know, I think I'm gonna decide there, but yeah, that's it. We found this super cute cafe like right next to the castle, and I just just couldn't resist. And I did get the first option that AI suggested, so I only cheated a little bit, okay? So, yeah. Just because it is already dark outside, and I know AI said that I had to watch a sunset from a picturesque spot, but I just ran out of time, okay? It was like a lot of things that we did today. Here is the program that AI gave me in the morning. I already crossed out the breakfast. The second point that he told me to do is that I had to take a walk or a jog in a nearby park, which we definitely completed. We checked my mom's Apple Watch a minute ago, and it said that we took almost 20,000 steps. Okay, then for the afternoon, we had to go for a picnic lunch. I did the little lunch recipe that was also suggested by AI, and that was very, very good. Then he suggested that we should visit a nearby outdoor attraction. Oh my god, I have trouble speaking because I'm so tired. We decided to visit the Prague Castle, which was actually so freaking beautiful. So yeah, the start is looking pretty great. However, now we're getting into that evening part, and as I said, I didn't watch a sunset from a picturesque spot. However, I'm planning on doing the last activity that he suggested, which is go to a concert. I'm going to a techno concert, which is not outdoor, I know, but like I couldn't get everything on point, okay? So yeah, I'm still gonna cross that out because I think that definitely deserves some points considering I never went to a techno, so AI is changing my life. The video is not over yet, just saying. I'm still gonna take you with me to the techno concert, but yeah, I'm probably gonna say goodbye to you right now. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Comment something down below, and don't forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok. And yeah, let's go to a techno party. To be honest, I am quite anxious about going because, as I said, it's like my first time, but I hope it's gonna be okay.